Welcome back to the channel. Today's a big day. We're finally putting these lettuce seedlings inside my planter box. So let's get started. As you can tell, the soil's a bit dry from the previous season. So let's get this dug out and we'll swap it for some new stuff I bought at my local nursery. This is a lot harder than I thought. This is some tin foil from my zucchini burrowers I tried to prevent. All my bark started to have this weird fungus on top of it. Anybody else experience this? It seems weird. I've been trying to either break up these little chunks or just throw them in the green bin to get rid of them and have them composted. These are usually a sign that the dirt's kind of done for the season, so I'll just refresh it with some new potting soil. Losing some of my liner and my glasses. Look at this, dry as a rock. Look how soft this soil is now. This is what I'm trying to get to. I'm gonna do a few more passes of trying to take out some of the bigger clumps, like right here, just throw that in the green bin. Then after that, I'll show you guys what I'll do next, but I think I'm gonna use my secret sauce this time. All right, you're probably wondering what the secret sauce is. Let me show you. This right here, earthworm castings. This is a must-have in any of your gardening projects. I'm gonna layer about an inch or two in this initial layer, just to kind of rejuvenate the old soil, and then when I put the compost in, I'll throw another layer on top. Let's check out what other potting soil I picked up. I just picked up the classic organic potting mix, Nature's Creation. Never tried this before, but my local nursery said it was good, so let's give it a go. These are just for show. Ooh, look at that. Fresh potting mix, no better smell. A lot of wood pieces in here. Maybe I do need to go back to Home Depot and just use their cheapo soil, but we'll see how this goes. I'll just spend some time fishing out these pieces. Come take a look at this. Look at this high quality soil. I mean, look at this. My romaine lettuce is gonna love this. Since the soil is looking so good, I'm just gonna skip the second layer of this worm castings, and I'll do that maybe later in the season, maybe the next month or two when they need a little boost. But I'll show you guys my other little secret probably in the next video. So hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on that other little cheat that I have for you guys. Also, my glasses keep sliding down. I really need to get those adjusted. This is what we've all been waiting for. Time to plant these bad boys. So according to the seed packet, it says we gotta space these out about 8 inches apart from each other. So I think that's gonna be perfect here. So I can do 2 rows of 6. And I think that'll be the ideal distance based on what the package says. And I think this planter box is about 48 inches or so. So I think this will work out perfectly. So let's get started. When I first start my plants, I like to just set them out to kind of gauge where they're going to go, so I can kind of come up with an idea and make sure they're all going to fit properly. Then from there, I'll dig the holes and put them in there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I think we have a visitor. Let's check him out. Look at him. Oakley, what are you doing? Yeah, Oakley likes eating the dirt. Not really his best trait, but he's cute. Say hi, Oakley. He gets a little camera shy. All right, we got him lined up. Let's get him planted. Look at that. always remember to keep these around so you can reuse them for your next seedlings. That's why I always say it's fine buying these or buying starter plants at nurseries, because then you get to accumulate a bunch of these and you can start making more seedlings a lot easier, a lot cheaper. As I'm planting these, I usually try to keep removing some of these pieces of wood. Just something else to do while you're planting your plants. Come take a look at this one. You can see there on the leaves, looks like they got a little bit singed today when I was trying to get them accustomed to the weather. Did hit about 98 today, so a little bit unfortunate, but I needed to get these guys outside. They've been inside for about 6 weeks now. It was time to bring them out. You know, if they're ready for the heat or not, we had to do it. Let's keep planting. Look at this. Come here. Check these out. I mean, look at this. It's like I'm a professional gardener. I can tell you, I'm just an amateur. I got one little secret that I got to show you guys that you want to do before you water your plants. It's a little tip I've learned over the years, so let me show you that. A little YouTube magic for you. Dirty hands, clean hands. Come a little closer. Let me show you this trick. So as you can see on the plants, as I started planting them more and more, you'll see a little bit of dirt specks inside each of my little plants. Once I'm done planting, I usually like to come through with my clean hands and just pull out those dirt pieces. Some of those dirt pieces can have funguses and pesticides and things like that left over from, you know, poor soil management and things like that. So I like to come through kind of with my hands and just pull out those pieces. That usually helps a lot. So let me show you how I do that. So you got clean hands, just go through these like a fine tooth comb, kind of pet the leaves a little bit, pull out the dirt, and they'll be good for a little watering, and then we'll be set for the first plants of my fall season. I'm really excited. And guys, thanks for watching, and as always, please subscribe and comment below and like these videos. It really helps and really helps me build this channel. But let's get to the fun part, cleaning these leaves. Honestly, I just tried that and that worked so good. Oh my gosh, come check these out. Look at that, perfectly clean. All of them, no dirt at all. This is honestly amazing. Wow. You can tell it's been a hard day's work in the Austin heat. Let's hit these with some water, then I'll hit myself with some water, then we'll be good to go. All right, the spray. Woo! Nice and easy. Right in there. The one good thing about lifted garden beds like these is that when you water them, you can actually tell how much water you're kind of wasting because it kind of drips through the bed itself. So if you're overwatering, you'll really tell because it's just flowing out the bottom of these garden beds, and then you know if you're overwatering or not. So just keep an eye on that. It's kind of a little trick I learned over the years. So yeah, give it a go yourself. But now, let's just water these up real quick, and then like I said, I'll shoot myself with some water, and then we'll be ready for another good fall harvest. Let me check under my garden bed to see how much I've overwatered already. Not too bad, looks like the soil below is pretty dry, so I'll water it a little bit more. Looks like we're all set. Thanks again for watching. Time to shoot myself with the hose, and as always, remember to subscribe. Woo! Woo! And remember, always support your local nurseries.